Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Comcast router. First, carefully unbox your new router and confirm all accessories are present. You should find the router itself, a power adapter, a coaxial cable, and often an Ethernet cable. Before you begin, identify a suitable location near a power outlet and a coaxial wall jack for optimal setup. Next, let's make the essential physical connections. Take the coaxial cable and securely screw one end into your wall's coaxial jack and the other end into the corresponding port on your Comcast router. Then, connect the power adapter to the router and plug it into a working electrical outlet. Allow a few minutes for the router to power on and its indicator lights to become stable. Once your router is powered on and stable, it's time for activation. You can connect a computer directly to the router using an Ethernet cable, or connect wirelessly using the Wi-Fi network name and password found on the router's label. Open a web browser, and you should be redirected to the Comcast activation page. Follow the simple on-screen instructions to get your internet service up and running. Should you encounter any issues, a simple restart often helps. Just unplug the power for about 30 seconds and then plug it back in. Always double-check that all your cables are securely connected. For the best Wi-Fi performance, position your router in a central, elevated, and open area, away from obstructions and other electronics that might cause interference. Enjoy your new internet connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.